Hello friends and YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to resolve your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I think you all know the algorithms such as F or R, U, etc. So I'm gonna teach you how to resolve your 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and the first algorithm. It's too short and easy to learn. So let's start. R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 R, U, R prime, U prime. Last time, R, U, R prime, U prime. Amazing, right? We've solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. We solved the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And the second one is F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R. C. Do you want to see it again? C. F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R, turn the side, F prime, R. Awesome, right? So, the third algorithm that could resolve your 3x3 Rubik's Cube is... Actually, I think you all know the middle one, which we call as M. So we just gonna have to move the middle part 2 times. M2, flip the cube. M2, flip the cube. M2, flip the cube. M2. See? Easy, right? So actually, all the Rubik's Cube solvers know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which they use algorithms to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. All algorithms are cube resolving algorithms. So, I'm gonna show you one of them. That is R U R prime U. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So let's start. R U R prime U R U2 R prime, R U R prime U R U2 R prime, again R U R prime U R U2 R prime, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Maybe the last time. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. No. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Amazing, right? Learn and show it to others. Thank you. If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.